some money.
Which way did he go?
That way.
I shouldn't be recording while we're talking about this. YouTube's gonna catch on to my shit.
I know.
I'll just fucking play music over there. Fuck it.
We're gonna get copyrighted.
Ooh. Lit.
We're gonna get copyrighted though.
No, because there's like certain videos or certain songs, like they have soundtracks that'll loop over your video,
Yeah.
and it's just like instrumentals that you can use. So that's what I do. I just use those the whole time. Straight lit. You know, it's like braking off-road system. I think it would be sick as fuck, but at the same time, it would like just use your brakes so fast.
Yeah.
It seems.
That's why the rotors on this truck are so big.
17.
Oh, really? Oh, damn.
No, I mean they fit. No, the smallest wheel fits a 17. So they're
Huge.
I want to get 33 millimeters.
They made large piston batteries.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
that's how most of the newer cars are now.
I want to get 33 millimeter rotors. Fucking
What's that? Man?
GT Sports. Slotted, dotted.
Slotted rotors are sick.
They're slotted and dotted, dog. So I got that extra cooling. Keep my brakes cold. Dude, I was hauling ass up the Ortegas. Got to the lookout, stopped, my fucking brakes were smoking. I was like, oh.
Really?
Yeah. I was just like, oh, well, I guess I shouldn't do that
I
again.
don't get that bad.
I get too lit, dog.
Mine are squeaking right now.
Mine aren't squeaking yet. My rotors aren't even fucked up. I was surprised.
I just replaced mine like a few months ago.
Dang it.
I literally just replaced them.
Oh no.
I think they both go the same way.
He might.
Let's go left. Probably.
YouTube's. Hey, look at that hill.
That's the one I'm looking for.
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Hills is like a dog and a squirrel.
Look at that one in front of us. Oh yeah. Bumpy.
Oh, that's what I was talking about.
But that hill looks cool. Look at that one.
Look at this one. Oh, that one's not. This one.
Look.
Look at all these beautiful hills.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I found your dad.
Hey. There he is.
I found his ass.
Come on, little taco. You got it.
Oh shit, that's a big fucking.
I know. I was thinking the same thing. I was like, oh, man, that's a little bit bigger than I thought. Damn.
I almost want to fucking video from here.
Because the angles get all messed up when you're looking at it from the top or the side.
I just want to see how lit this is going to be. This is going to go hard.
It's like a gnarly ass hill.
Hold on. He's like stopped up at the top.
Fucking get it. Hell yeah.
Little fucking bird is in there fucking trying to get her claws out of the boat.
See?